how to check if your phone is official or unofficial. Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow the step. So you can head over to your phone application directly, and once you head over into here, you can type in star hash 06 and hash again, and a number, IMEI number will be displayed on your screen. You can just go ahead and copy the IMEI number and head over to one of your website. And after that, go ahead and search for IMEI checker. So all you gotta do is head over to this website right here, imeicheck.com, any of the available. After that, you need to enter up your IMEI number, the 15 digits or the serial number in this section. After that, just go ahead and copy and paste and tap on this check IMEI, and it will tell you if the phone is registered, blacklisted, or if it has been reported as lost or stolen. So just go ahead and look out it for here. Similarly, if you want to go follow for more, you can just go ahead and directly contact the manufacturer support directly, and they should basically tell you if your phone is official or unofficial. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.